Hello, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get a free audiobook. You'll get one free audiobook. Now, this is done by Amazon. It's Amazon Audibles. So if you look at my screen right now, if you look at the screen, it says Audible. Now, this is something that is provided by Amazon. And if you read what's here, it says listen to the good stuff, best-selling audiobooks, exclusive Audible originals, popular podcasts, and more. Okay, and you can try it. See, if you look here, it says try for 0. Okay, after it's for 30 days. After that, of course, you would have to pay, and it looks here, it says $14.95, but you don't have to. You can cancel at any time. Even after your trial period, you just say cancel. Now, if you look down, um, you have a deal now that they're doing, and I think this is for the US, so you have to check from wherever country that you're living in right now. It says $5.95 a month for the first 4 months. Now, the good thing about this is even in your free 30-day trial, it says you get 1 credit, okay? 2 credits for Prime members, good for any premium selection titles you like, yours to keep. See, and the Audible Plus catalog of podcasts, audiobooks, guided wellness, etc. Listen to all you want, no credits needed. So this is for the trial period, okay? And a friendly reminder before your trial ends. So everything is upfront here. Now they give you a selection of titles, probably the best-selling ones that is out now. It seems that the book by Matthew Perry of Friends is the one that's trending. It says Friends, Lovers, and the Big Terrible Thing. You have quite a few here. Now, so since my channel is about, improving your skills and making money online, etc., getting your business to the next level with skills that you can find online, and preferably something that skills that you can learn for free, programs you can download for free or do online for free. Now, what I have done is I'm looking for a book that will help you towards that. Now, there is one book that I thought was pretty good. It's Secrets to the Millionaire Mind. Okay, and you look for it, and Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. And here it is. And so it's given it to you. It says the regular price, but free with the 30-day trial. And you can get this and you can listen. And the best part of it is you can also listen to a sample. So let me just click and we can listen to it.
Sense of achievement, or just to prove I was good enough in my parents' eyes, but I was almost always obsessed with becoming a success. During my 20s, I started several different businesses, each with the dream of making my fortune, but my results went from dismal to worse. Then, as luck would have it, I got some advice from an extremely rich friend of my father's. He was at my parents' house playing cards with the boys, and in passing, saw me. This was the third time I'd moved back home, and I was living in the lower-level suite, otherwise known as the basement. I suppose my dad had
Okay, so that's just a snippet. Now they're giving you around 9 minutes of a sample. So you can listen to it for about 9 minutes, 9 odd minutes, and you can decide if this is something that you want to continue listening to. Okay, it gives you the details here, when it was released, the length is 3 hours, and it says narrated by Harv Eker himself, the author of this. That's what this is. Now this one is, if you can see, it says narrated by someone else, Charles Constant. So let's listen to that.
Not millions of dollars. Some people's financial thermostats are set for generating hundreds, not even thousands. And some people's financial thermostats are set for below zero. They're frickin' freezing, and they don't have a clue as to why. The reality is that most people do not reach their full potential. Most people are not successful. Research shows that 80% of individuals will never be financially free in the way they'd like to be, and 80% will never claim to be truly happy. The reason is simple. Most people are unconscious. They are a little asleep at the wheel.
Okay, so that was a snippet of it. So if you can look here, it says that the rating's 9,000. So it looks like a lot of people prefer this this narration by maybe is the accent, and maybe this accent was not something that they were comfortable listening to, so you can sample it out actually. And you have different titles as well, so if you want this, but if you don't want this at all, then you can choose something else. Now, because of what my channel is about, this is the one that I chose to do this video about. But you can choose anything that you want to. And I think this is really, really good because you don't have to have the actual book. You can listen to it. There's a library, and you can add whatever books that you want to and listen to it, again and again. So I think this is a good option. You can explore it. The link is in the description below. Just click the link and it will take you to the page that I was on before, which is this one. Now, of course, it depends. If you're in the US, then it'll take you to the US site. If you're in Australia, it'll take you to the Australian site. So depending which country you're from, you're watching this from, or your IP address is from, it will take you to that country. So I hope you like this, and I hope you do try it out and see whether it's something that you like. Remember, it's 30 days free, and you get the first audiobook for free as well. Okay, so if you did like it, please do comment, subscribe, and let me know what else that you'd like me to do a video on. Right, bye.